Welcome to today's episode, where we're diving into the incredible health benefits of avocado, with a special focus on how it can help you on your weight loss journey. This little green fruit isn't just delicious, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform the way you eat and feel. And yes, Slavic girls know the secret too. They eat avocado to maintain their stunning slim figures. Let's explore why avocado should be a staple in your diet if you're looking to shed some pounds or simply embrace a healthier lifestyle. First, let's talk about what makes avocado so unique. Unlike most fruits that are high in carbohydrates, avocado is packed with healthy fats. These are mostly monounsaturated fats, the kind that's incredibly good for your heart and metabolism. These fats not only help you stay full for longer, but they also regulate your appetite. Imagine feeling satisfied and energetic without the need for constant snacking. That's the magic of avocado. By helping you control your hunger, avocado naturally aids in reducing your overall calorie intake, making it an excellent ally for weight loss. Another critical factor that makes avocado great for weight management is its impressive fiber content. Did you know that a single avocado contains about 7 grams of fiber? Fiber is crucial for healthy digestion, and it slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those sudden energy crashes that leave you reaching for unhealthy snacks. It also supports a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a role in managing your weight and overall health. Eating fiber-rich foods like avocado can create a sense of fullness that lasts for hours, keeping you on track with your dietary goals. The glycemic index of avocado is another reason why it's a perfect choice for anyone looking to maintain or lose weight. With a low glycemic index, avocado helps stabilize your blood sugar levels. This is especially important if you're trying to curb cravings or manage conditions like insulin resistance or diabetes. When your blood sugar levels are steady, your body is less likely to store excess fat, and you'll feel more balanced throughout the day. But that's not all. Avocado is a nutrient-dense food that's packed with vitamins and minerals essential for overall health. It's a fantastic source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and reduce water retention. This is particularly helpful if you're aiming to get rid of that bloated feeling and feel lighter on your feet. It's also rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that supports healthy skin and reduces inflammation. For anyone looking to maintain their beauty and vitality, avocado is truly a must-have. And Slavic girls know this too well. They've long incorporated avocado into their diets to complement their balanced meals, which keeps them feeling light, active, and looking their best. Let's not forget about the role of avocado in boosting metabolism. The monounsaturated fats in avocado can increase the rate at which your body burns calories. Combined with its ability to keep you full, avocado becomes a double weapon in the fight against weight gain. When paired with a regular exercise routine, the metabolism-boosting properties of avocado can make a noticeable difference in your fitness journey. Plus, its creamy texture and delicious taste make it a versatile addition to many dishes, helping you stick to your healthy eating plan without feeling deprived. Now let's move on to a quick and easy recipe that showcases just how delicious and nutritious avocado can be. This dish combines the creamy richness of avocado with the earthy flavors of buckwheat and the satisfying protein of eggs. It's perfect for a healthy lunch or dinner and comes together in no time. Here's how to make it. Start by cooking half a cup of buckwheat according to the package instructions. While the buckwheat is cooking, slice a ripe avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a bowl. Mash it gently with a fork, adding a pinch of salt, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice, and a dash of black pepper for extra flavor. In a separate pan, fry or poach an egg to your preferred level of doneness. Once the buckwheat is ready, transfer it to a plate and top it with the mashed avocado. Place the egg on top and garnish with chopped fresh parsley or chives. For an extra kick, you can drizzle a little chili oil or sprinkle some red pepper flakes. This simple meal is not only delicious, but also balanced and packed with nutrients to keep you energized and satisfied. So whether you're looking to lose weight or simply eat healthier, avocado is a fantastic choice. Its combination of healthy fats, fiber, and nutrients makes it a superfood that supports your body and mind. And with quick and easy recipes like this one, incorporating avocado into your diet is a breeze. Remember, even the secrets of Slavic beauty and health include avocado, so why not make it part of your routine too? Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this episode has inspired you to enjoy more avocado in your meals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite avocado recipes in the comments below. See you in the next episode.